Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am here with a school Chromebook. Friends, you're doing all this learning from home. I think I've got a technique that's going to make you a little faster. So let's get cracking. All right, friends, so if you're in one of my classes, you know we learn with a lot of videos. So watch this technique for making your screen more usable. I'm going to launch the first video, which is the teeter-totter. When you click on the video, I always recommend going to YouTube so that it shows up in a separate window. At that point, if you double click up here, tap, tap, it breaks that out and lets you move it where you want. So I'm going to take the entire set of tabs and I'm going to hold with this thumb and move it against the screen so it splits and it's half the screen. And then if you click this button right here for theater mode, it gets a little bit larger as well. Then in your other window, I'm going to break this apart with a plus, and then this time I'm going to grab and drag. So notice I was holding down and I drug the tab, and I would put Tinkercad over here in this window, just like that. And then boom, you've got dual screens so you can watch the video and pause, and then on this side complete what you need to do. Alrighty, friends, so there you have it. One sweet, simple skill that makes learning a lot faster on your Chromebook. Do want to send a shout out to Jack, a student of mine. He's the one that shared that we could do this, and I had to come over here and record it so you guys could put it to work. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.